click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the notification of every video I upload. Hello friends, this is Android and Christian. In this video, I will talk about the Android Pie update of Galaxy A6 Plus. So let's watch. So friends, the Galaxy A6 Plus, which was launched with Android Oreo out of the box, is now getting Android Pie update with One UI. The update is currently available in Poland and we hope in more countries soon. The update file size is about 1282 MB. The update comes with mild security patch and also brings all of the features that are part of Android Pie update in addition to Samsung's new One UI. The update is available through FOTA and you can also update your phone by flashing firmware. And friends, if we talk more about this phone, so this phone was also getting Android Pie update in beta version in Korea. But still in Korea, the stable update has not arrived. So friends, this is the latest news. I hope you will like the video, so subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Peace out.